Welcome to the 29th edition of my story, The Blue Rafflesia. This video is also available in my newsletter, itellDifferently.substack.com. Let us begin. Blue Rafflesia, Part 29. It is very difficult to stay within a caravan 24 hours a day without venturing out. Professor Bhattacharya and his team is not allowed to keep their foot on the soil of the Sentinelese Island. It is prohibited. Government do not want to reveal this exploration to the outer world. As a result, all of them are enclosed within the van, living like a prisoner. Not only the male members of the team, the female, who is also the driver of the vehicle, feels extremely exhausted. The outside temperature remain in between 38 to 42 degrees centigrade at daytime and about 25 degrees centigrade at night time. But the problem is it is very humid. As a result, the travelers need to rehydrate multiple times to maintain their pace of work. Although there is AC, but to conserve fuel, they could not run the AC for more than 7 hours on the trot. Power from solar panel was used for running the computers, satellites, signaling systems, and other communication and electronic devices. Vehicle is also equipped with wind turbines. When the car moves or whenever there is a wind flow, the turbines rotate and produce power, which is stored in a battery system. This system also stores the power generated from solar energy and conventional fuel. It is now 3 days. The vehicle is moving here and there within the jungle, but without any success. Surprisingly, they have not seen any tribe people, and this is quite rare, as these tribesmen can detect intrusion within a few moments. But even after 3 days of constant traveling, none of them has been neither spotted nor they have tried to attack the vehicle, which they do when they detect a intruder or a foreigner entering their jungle, as if they were vanished into a thin air. The members were also not getting any clue about the presence of the elusive Blue Rafflesia. Even with their sophisticated instruments, they have failed to detect any trace of the species. They have already covered the place from where the latest picture of Blue Rafflesia was captured. But now there is zero trace of the flower. It is a seasonal flower. Sir, whether this is the correct time? Jayanto inquisitively looked at Professor Bhattacharya. You are correct, Jayanto. Blue Rafflesia doesn't bloom all the time of the year, but we should get its roots, or at least the bulbs will be there. The plant grows from bulb, and you cannot just bring the bulb from outside. Its origin is in this jungle, and at least the bulbs will be here. What do you think, Bhubash? Bhubash was looking at his computer and trying to process the images captured by his photosensors. These sensors were fixed at the robotic arms, connected at both the sides of the vehicle. These arms can be controlled from the van. Bhuvash taking the picture of the soil and processing them with the algorithms encoded in his computers tries to detect any special features that can trace that elusive flower. As the photosensors can penetrate the ground, that is, it can capture the images of subsurface layers also. So it can detect if there is any bulb available under the soil. Then Bhuvash can match the spectral signal of the bulb with the spectral signature of the bulb of Rafflesia. They do not have any spectral signature of the bulb of Blue Rafflesia, but they have the signature of Red Rafflesia. So at least if there is, or if the Blue Rafflesia or Rafflesia grows in this part of the island, then they are supposed to get its trace, at least the trace of the common Rafflesia plant. But yet they have not found any. Yes, sir, at least we could got the bulb of Rafflesia, if not blue, but we are receiving nothing. At that moment, Professor Pandey interrupted the conversation as he was found something interesting. Hey boys, I have detected a presence of radioactive material. Where? Right in front of us. Although very faint signal, but yes, there is a trace of some amount of radioactive material. So, what to do? Professor Bhattacharya inquires. Let us see, Professor. I must be more sure and more confirmed about this signal, because often these type of signals misleads us. Please wait for one more day too, and give me some more time such that I can completely analyze these signals and give you a final decision. That is the end of Blue Rafflesia part 29. We will see you when I produce the Blue Rafflesia part 30. Till then, goodbye. And remember to subscribe to iteldifferently.substack.com if you like the story of Blue Rafflesia. Thank you and ciao.